Maori and hello. My name is Lulu DeBoer, and I'm the director and producer of Millennium Island. Now, if you've seen my last two videos, you'll know that Millennium Island is a documentary about climate change adaptation in the small country of Kiribati in the South Pacific. Now, you may have already seen the films Island President or An Inconvenient Truth. And what these documentaries do is they tackle the issue of climate change through the lens of politics and through the lens of science. So you might be thinking, hey, what left is there to discuss about climate change through documentaries? Quite a bit, actually. But where Millennium Island fits in brings me to question number 3. What makes Millennium Island different from the other documentaries currently about climate change? Now, An Inconvenient Truth and An Island President really cover the sort of science and the politics surrounding the sort of climate change issue. But what they don't really get into is the sort of personal story, the story of the people themselves. And so what Millennium Island is trying to do is to use this idea of the personal, use the sort of domestic family unit to really describe in human terms what it's like to adapt to climate change. And what Millennium Island is definitely not, is it's not a victimization documentary. Oftentimes I see in the news Kiribati people portrayed as these sort of victims to something that the world has done. And it's a very helpless sort of act. But what my documentary is trying to show is the story of adaptation and showing the autonomy of the Kiribati people, showing that they, given the opportunity and given the economy, can really adapt fully to their new surroundings. And it's the story about human survival and human adaptation told through the close proximity of a family that will make Millennium Island different from other documentaries currently on the market. So that is question number 3 for this week, and I want to thank you again for liking my Facebook page. And to continue, keep posted, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Twitter and check out my website. All right, thank you so much. Sabo and takarai. What makes Millennium Island different? That's what I'm hoping it'll be.